Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed some of the poverty alleviation programs. In continuity with the previous topic, today we will discuss poverty alleviation programs especially introduced in agriculture sector. Here are these programs. Now let's discuss. First is reward scheme. Under this program there is online arrangement of buying and selling of agricultural produce. By this method, farmers' income is directly coming to their hands and they are not forced to give profit to the mediators. These steps should be taken which can increase the profit of the farmers and farmers remain involved in agriculture business. Next scheme in poverty alleviation program, especially in agriculture sector, is integrated dairy development scheme for tribal women for cattle rearing. Under this program, financial help is provided for organic farming, geoponics and cattle rearing. Under this program, advanced technique is provided by imparting proper training for plantation crops and other new cropping methods. Next program is encouragement to organic farming. Under this program, farmers are encouraged to adopt organic farming methods by providing them easy finance facility at low rate of interest. Government is helping farmers in selling their crop produce so that they can get better income after selling their crop produce. Another motive of government is also government want to encourage environment protection program by these schemes. Next scheme and program launched by Government of India for poverty alleviation in agriculture sector is Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Under this program, unirrigated land is converted into irrigated land by improving irrigation facilities. Through drip irrigation system should be used along with the construction of small, big and medium sized check dams to avoid the problem of water scarcity. Such activities will also generate employment and income for the rural poor. Next scheme is Prime Minister Farm Safety Insurance Plan. By launching this program in agriculture sector, Pradhan Mantri Farm Safety Insurance Plan to provide insurance coverage and financial support to the farmers in the event of failure of any of the notified crop as a result of natural calamities like flood, cyclone, etc. Pests and diseases to stabilize the income of farmers to ensure their continuance in the farming business. Next program of poverty alleviation is National Drinking Water Program. Like PM's Krishi Sinchai Yojana, this program purpose is to extend irrigation facility by improving the existing canal network, provide tube wells, check soil erosion and salinity, digging ponds, watershed development, construction of tanks, rainwater harvesting, lining of canals, renovation of the check dams are the related activities. This program was launched in 2009. It aims to provide safe and adequate water for drinking, cooking and other domestic needs to every rural person on a sustainable or regular basis. Next program of poverty alleviation in agriculture sector is from Gramodaya to Bharatudaya. India is a country of villages. The government focuses on overall development of the villages by launching this program. By this program, preventive measures have been taken to avoid loss of the farmers by soil testing, special training for cash crops, mechanized farming, easy finance facilities, computerization in agriculture. To all the effective measures are undertaken to generate additional employment in rural areas. By this program, the prosperity of the villages can be revised, because real strength of Indian economy is hidden in agriculture sector. Dear students, just go through the video and revise the whole topic, as this is a very important topic for your board examination point of view. In next video, we will start and discuss one more interrelated topic with poverty, unemployment. Thank you.